Miss Cooper, can I see you in my office after class?
Oh my God. What are you going to do about this? There's no way I'm going to live on this campus and go to school at the same time. In that case, how about you in an apartment?
Yeah, I was just wondering who that was you was walking down the street.
Who was what?
The girl you was moving in your apartment with.
You're a loser. What makes you even think that she would ever want anything to do with you?
Hey, yo, your crackhead boy here, Jim.
Oh,
look at him. Must be higher than he's lying. Come on, man. Walk like a dog, bark like a dog. Must be
I ain't thought of nothing or nobody since then. I can't get her off my head.
You're not listening, man, Brian. Get yourself together. At least if not for you, for her.
My name is Mabi. And Wally told me everything about you. I just want to tell you how much I appreciate you allowing me to move in with you. You are a real friend.
So who's responsible for that smile on your face? Oh my God, come on. The guy's totally not your type.
I really don't see anything wrong with me talking to Brian.
Come on, let's make this quick. Blossom's waiting, Mama.
Blossom is cheating on you.
I knew from the moment you tried to weasel your way back in our lives that you was up to something. I mean, yo, who does that?
What is it so important that it can't wait?
How could you do this to me?
You did this to yourself.
You are crazy. You are crazy. You are freaking crazy. What did she ever do to you?